Why do 75% of job seekers dread writing their resumes? Because it feels like trying to win a lottery with a lucky charm instead of a ticket. Crafting a killer resume and cover letter isn't just about listing your job history, it's about storytelling. Imagine your resume as a highlight reel, not a documentary. Focus on achievements that tell a story of success, adaptability, and problem solving. Got gaps in your employment? Spin it as a period of personal growth or skill development. Tailor your cover letter to speak directly to the company's needs and culture, making it as personalized as a direct message. And hey, don't forget to proofread. A typo might seem small, but it's like showing up to an interview with a spinach salad in your teeth. Now, a huge shout out to our sponsor, Canada Smart Mind, for supporting your career journey. Like, share, and comment below with your resume writing questions or victories. We read every comment and love seeing your feedback. And before you click away, smash that subscribe button to get more tips on how you can outshine the competition. Remember, your next job could just be one great resume away.